In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join line in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll be able to take two separate line segments and turn them into one clean, editable curve so you can style it, adjust it, and keep your workflow tidy. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and load the document that contains your lines. You can work in an existing file or create a new one and draw a couple of quick strokes with the pen tool to follow along. Zoom in so you have a clear view of the line, ends you plan to connect. This makes the join more accurate and helps you see exactly what changes when you complete the process. Next, select the two curves you want to connect. These should be separate, separate, unconnected lines. You can do this with the Move tool by clicking one line, then holding Shift and clicking the other, or by dragging a selection box around both. If you prefer precision, switch to the Node tool and click each curve to include it in the selection. Check the Layers panel to confirm that only those two curves are selected. This avoids joining the wrong objects. If the endpoints you plan to join aren't close to each other, nudge them into place with the Node tool. Turning on snapping can help the ends align neatly without guesswork, especially when you're aiming for a clean junction. With both curves selected, make sure the Node tool is active so you can access the relevant actions. At the top of the interface, in the context toolbar, click Join Curves. Affinity Designer will find the nearest end nodes of your two lines and connect them. If the ends are slightly apart, the app will add a straight segment between them. If they already touch or overlap, it will fuse them into a single node. If it connects the wrong ends, simply undo, click the specific end nodes you want to join with the Node tool so those nodes are highlighted, and click Join Curves again. Once the join is complete, you now have one continuous curve. Apply a single stroke, adjust width and pressure, or reshape the path using the Node tool. If the connection looks too sharp, convert the join node to smooth and adjust the handles for a gentler transition. If you see a small gap or kink, zoom in and refine the node placement, then repeat the join. That's all there is to it. Open your document, select the two unconnected curves, and click Join Curves at the top. Save your file and you're ready to keep designing with a clean, unified path.